Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this logarithm trigonometry equation using concepts of logarithms and trigonometry. As per the problem, if log of cos x to the base sin x is equal to 1 over 2 and x is between 0 and pi over 2, what is the value of sin x? We have to use this given equation log of cos x to the base sin x equals 1 over 2 to find the value of sin x. Let's start by writing the given equation. We have to find the value of sin x, and sin x is the base of the log term. So we have to find a way to move sin x out of the base of this log term. We can do that by getting rid of the log. We should convert this log equation into an exponential equation by moving the base sin x to the right side of the equation and making it the base of 1 over 2. This is a very important concept we need to understand to solve this problem. As per the problem, x is between 0 and pi over 2, therefore x is in quadrant 1. Sine of an angle in quadrant 1 is a positive value, therefore this term sin x to the power half is a valid term because sin x has a positive value. Now in this equation we have cos x on the left side and sin x on the right side of the equation. We have to find a way to get the same trigonometry ratio in this equation. For that we should square both sides of the equation. On the left side we get cos square x, and on the right side we can use power on power law of exponents. Half times 2 is equal to 1, so we are left with just sin x on the right side of the equation. Next we should use Pythagorean identity to change cos square x into sin square x. As per this identity, cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Now we have just sine ratio in this equation. We have to solve this equation. This is a quadratic equation. For sin x, we can solve this equation to find the value of sin x. The first step is to move all terms on one side of the equation and set it equal to 0. We can move negative sine square x to the right side of the equation and it will become a positive term. Similarly, we can move 1 to the right side of the equation and it will become a negative term. So we have just a 0 on the left side of the equation. We can solve this equation to find the value of sin x. We can use quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is we write sin x on the left side because we are solving for sin x in this equation. This equation is in standard form. A value is equal to 1, the coefficient of sin square x, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to negative 1. Now we can sub in these values in the formula. 1 square is equal to 1. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 1 is equal to positive 4. We get two cases, positive and negative. Negative 1 plus square root 5 over 2 is equal to 0.618. Negative 1 minus square root 5 over 2 is equal to negative 1.618. As you may know, the minimum value for sin x is negative 1. That means negative 1.618 is an invalid solution for this equation because sin x cannot have a value less than negative 1. So this is an invalid solution. So the only valid solution is negative 1 plus square root 5 over 2 because sin x can be between negative 1 and positive 1. So this is the exact value of sin x. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.